are 3 reasons to make your own pillow forms. Hi, I'm Susan from Sewfeet.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make my pillow forms. It's fast, it's easy, and it's economical. So when you make your own pillow form, you can make custom sized pillows, and you're not limited to the size forms that you can buy at the fabric stores. And you can make your pillow as fluffy or as flat as you'd like, because you can control the amount of filling that is inside that pillow form. I make my pillow forms using batting rather than fabric, so you can use your leftover batting pieces to make your pillow forms. The reason I use batting instead of fabric for the pillow form is that it gives a much smoother surface and you don't have a lumpy look to your pillows, which can happen sometimes when using fabric. The pillow form I'm making here is for a 12-inch pillow, and so I want to start with 2 pieces of batting that are 13 inches square, and I'll be stitching 1/2-inch seams on all 4 sides. The only other thing you need is polyester fiber fill, which you can find at most fabric and craft stores. The amount you need will vary because it depends on whether or not you want a very fluffy pillow or a very flat pillow. So you'll have to kind of experiment to determine how much you need. To stitch the pillow form, you want to place the 2 pieces of batting together and take it to the sewing machine. Stitch on all 4 sides. Leave an opening on one side of about 4 to 5 inches. I'm using a dual feed presser foot that will feed the 2 layers together and keep them from shifting. A walking foot would be a good presser foot to use for this also. Once you have stitched it, turn it to the right side and it is ready for stuffing. Put the fiber fill into the form and make sure that you get it into the corners. You'll want to push the fiber fill down into the pillow away from the opening because we're going to stitch the opening closed once you get all of your fiber fill in. Fold the seam allowances in where the opening is so that you can edge stitch that closed. I use quilting clips to hold it closed and I remove them as I come to them when I'm stitching. This part is a little bit fussy, so you want to sew at a slow speed and you want to use your hand to kind of keep the bulk of the pillow form away from the needle. I use an open embroidery foot to do this, and then I adjust my needle position so that it stitches along the edge of the opening. Now you'll want to massage the form so that you can kind of spread out the fiber fill and distribute it throughout the whole form. Here's a tip for getting the fiber fill evenly distributed within the pillow form. If you will take it and put it between your mattress and your box springs and leave it there for a night or 2, you'll be amazed at how uniform it comes out to be. Once you've made 1 or 2 of these pillow forms, you'll find that it's very quick and really easy, and you can actually make one in less time than it takes to go buy a pillow form, and it's a lot less expensive to do it this way. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and visit me at Sewfeet.com.